filter. Here's the old one. Already took that clamp off. And put the new one on. You put the hose on, put the clamp on. There's an arrow on here. You want to make sure that arrow is pointed towards the carburetor of the engine. And we're going to take the bottom off, take the front tire, tried to air it up several times, but it's definitely off the bead, so I'm going to try to get it back on there. If not, just going to throw a tube in there. Stay tuned. The bead, the idea was to the strap around it, kind of tighten it up. We're going to see what happens. Just popped it back on. Take that strap. All that came out of just one pulley. That'll throw your belt and a lot of other stuff, so you gotta clean it out once in a while. Don't do it. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. You gotta clean all that shit out, guys. So the pulley's spin good. And then there's grease inserts and stuff in here you gotta grease up.